What's up, mate? In this video I'm going to show you how to restoring zip file, RAW file, network capture file, WPA and PDF file, password with John the stripper. So let's begin. As you can see, we have a folder named lab that contains 4 files: a zip file, RAR file, PDF file, a network capture file. As you can see, all of them protected by password. Let's right click on the folder and open the terminal in this specific folder. Check you run the latest John version by typing the command John. You can see we're running the 1.9 Jumbo version. Type ls for the folder content. Then we're gonna write zip to John and the file name that call test.zip that will provide us with the file hash value. As you can see, it is quite a long hash value, so we will run the same command. We will gonna add the sign greater than space and the file name that call hash-zip.txt. It's gonna dump the hash value into this new file we just created. Then write John space and the zip hash value. You can see that John managed to figure out file type, in this scenario zip, and it's going to use the default word list. Okay, the password has been restored. It's sexy mama 1. But the cool thing is that if you search in the word list, you see that sexy mama 1 does not exist, but sexy mama does exist. So John managed to figure out the password with the basic rule and the word list. Let's extract the hash from the RAR file by typing the command RAR to John and the file name test.rar greater than, and then we call it rar-hash.txt. Now run the command John space and the hash file rar-hash.txt. As you can see, John detected the hash type rar3. Now to try with simple rule, then with a word list, then combined, and then incremental brute force combined. And as you can see, it's taking quite long, so I will try it with different word lists. However, it might restore it even if we keep it on default settings. Let's use the full syntax. First, let's run the command John --list equal formats, and then we can see the formats we want. Let's filter it by grep and type rar, and then we can see that RAR file is the format that we need. You can choose any format you want. Then run the command John space -- format equal the relevant format, in this case RAR5, then the hash file location, and then the -- the word list equal and the word location. In this scenario we're going to use the rocku.txt. Let's let it run, and you can click on any key to watch the status. And after 25 minutes we restore the password. The password is may God bless you. I use the word list because I want it to be fast, better than wait. Let's convert now the PDF file by running Python script. You can see the location on the screen. PDF to john.pl and the file that you want to convert, greater than and the hash name. Then run John space and the hash file and let John do its thing, and as you can see, it's found the password. Now for the capture file, we need to use the hashcast capx converter. Then after we convert the cap file to hashcat file, then run hccap to John greater than and the hash file name that you want. In this case is accapx-hash.txt. As you can see, we have created this hash file, and then run the command John and the hash file, and as you can see, it's restored the password. The password is coolness. And if you will take a look at the John pod file, you can see all the hashes and password we have restored. And now we will try to open our files with those passwords in order to show you that indeed the passwords are correct. You see the file contain the zip file and the RAR file contains a photo of a handsome guy traveling in East Asia, and the PDF file open as well. And you need to trust me with the network that's the password. So thank you for watching and have a lovely day. Cheers.